Welcome to our channel. Today we how to clear Chrome history, fast fix. Open your Google Chrome browser. Look for the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the window. Click on those dots to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, select History. This will open the History page in a new tab. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a time range drop-down menu at the top. Select the desired time range for which you want to clear your history. To delete everything, choose All Time. Next, make sure Browsing History is checked. You can also check other options like cookies and other site data or cached images and files if needed. After selecting your options, click the Clear Data button. Wait a moment for the process to complete. Once finished, your browsing history will be cleared. You can close the Settings tab when you're done. Remember, this action is irreversible, so double-check before you proceed. Now, you've successfully cleared your Chrome history. Your browser will run smoother, and your online privacy will be enhanced. And that's it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.